The first question is, barometer was invented by? Your time started. Your answer is A. The next question is, the metal found in liquid state is? Your time started. Stop. If your answer is C, you are right. The third question is, the substrate of photorespiration is? Your answer is C, glycolate. Now the fourth question is, brain fever is a disease spread through? If your answer is B, you are right. The fifth question is, mangroves are plants that have? Your answer is C, respiratory roots. The sixth question is, Haematite is an ore or mineral of? Your answer is B, iron. The seventh question is, which gas contributes most to greenhouse effect? Your answer is A, water vapor. The eighth question is, sponges belong to the phylum? Your answer is C. The rate of change of momentum is? Answer is C, force. Next question is, which among the following is primary reason for depletion of ozone layer? Your answer is C, chlorofluorocarbon. सो गाइज, ये थे 10 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो प्रीवियस ईयर्स में पूछे गए हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में 10 मोर इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर।